Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change delivery address on Walmart. Open the website walmart.com, then click on Account. Then, a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now enter your email address. After entering, click on Sign In. Then, enter your password. Once entered, click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Addresses. So there are two ways on how you can change your delivery address. First, click on the Edit button beside your current delivery address. Then remove the current address inserted. Once removed, enter the new delivery address you wish to use, then click on Save. For the second way of changing your delivery address, you could click on the Add Address option. Then enter all the required information needed in adding a new address. Once entered, click on the tick box beside Set as my preferred delivery address. After that, click on Save. That's how you change delivery address on Walmart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.